In this video we are going to talk about the best espresso machine in this year, which is Calphalon BVC LEC MP1. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Calphalon Temp IQ espresso machine with steam wand features Thermoblock heating technology and PID temperature control to evenly heat during the espresso extraction and pre-infusion to bloom the espresso grounds for optimally extracted espresso. With conveniences like steam wand, Autoshot volumetric control, and cup warming tray, you can experience consistently delicious espresso at home. Include stainless steel milk pitcher, tamper, and cleaning pin. 15-bar Italian pump delivers the right amount of pressure for maximum flavor extraction and produces a beautiful layer of crema for your espresso. Dial interface for selecting steam, hot water, and pre-programmed single and double shots. 58mm cafe-sized porta-filter holds more grounds and ensures even water dispersion and extraction for robust flavor. Thermoblock heating technology and PID temperature control delivers even heat for consistently great-tasting espresso, and pre-infusion gently blooms the espresso grounds for optimally extracted espresso. Removable 2.0L water reservoir with hinged lid for easy filling. Cup warming tray for espresso-ready cups and steam wand froths milk for creating cappuccinos, lattes, and other drinks, just like in coffee shops. Includes stainless steel milk pitcher, tamper, and cleaning pin. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.